Morning everyone, chapter 4 Air. As you know, our earth is surrounded by the huge blanket of air, that blanket known as atmosphere. And how this blanket surround our earth, it is only because of gravitational force of the earth. Fine everyone? The large layer of air called atmosphere, though we cannot see it, yet the scientists have oh, told various interesting things about the atmosphere. One important thing is that the air is of the atmosphere is always on move, whether horizontal or vertically, downward or upward. Another interesting thing that about air is that it has weight, so it exerts pressure. If you so desire, you can prove about these things for experiment. Like uh, if you can have a balloon, everyone, you blow air in that. Okay, with the help of mouth. Yes. So this thing show that air has that balloon has air. Okay. Now if you release the air from this balloon, what happen? It show that right now the balloon has air. When you if you release the air from the balloon, it means there is no air in the balloon. No, still the air is the balloon because the air is everywhere. Okay. Now the next, the air extract pressure. It extract pressure from all direction. That is why uh, we cannot feel that pressure. Okay. Now look at this empty bottle. There is anything in this bottle? No, but still the air is in this bottle. We show the air is present everywhere. How you can show it that air is present in the bottle? Anshika, put your balloon on the mouth of your bottle and the press your bottle. Okay. Yes, what it shows that bottle having air inside it. So that is why when she push the bottle, the air is comes in balloon. This show. Take the example of empty football bladder and weight it. Then they fill the bladder with the air. Then weight it again. You will find out the weight of the empty bottle and the weight of the bottle filled with the air, the different. Okay, so comparatively that the weight the ball football with the air having weight, so show that air has weight. Okay, now how the air works? It provides us the air which we breathe like oxygen. Okay, which protect us from the harmful ultraviolet rays. Without this blanket of protection, what would be happen? If it is will not, that we would be baked alive by the heat of the sun or uh, during daytime and get frozen during night. So it is the mass of the air that make the temperature on the earth livable, which make the temperature of earth suitable for us. Okay, so temperature, so atmosphere is act like a blanket or the glass house of the earth. What does it mean? That It receives the radiation of the sun but does not allow the insulation to escape. As such, it keeps the earth warm. Next, water vapor and carbon dioxide present in the lower layer of the atmosphere absorb the heat and radiate the earth's surface and keep the atmosphere warm. Next, had there been no atmosphere, the extreme of temperature between the day and night would have been much greater. And it also protects us from the ultraviolet sun rays. And atmosphere also control extreme seasons, and different trees plants can grow, can adapt themselves easily to the changing season and survive conveniently. So that is why the atmosphere is very important for us. Let us talk about the composition of the air. What does it means? That what is in the air, which gases is in the air. Do you know that the air which we take, we breathe, that is actually is the part of the air, that is oxygen. Now the many gases are present in the air in a different proportions. Like the nitrogen and oxygen are two gases which is present in the air in bulk. Okay, bulk of, which make the two gases which make up the bulk of the atmosphere. That is nitrogen and oxygen. Let us understand this through this pie chart. Look at here, this portion, the nitrogen present in the air, that is 78%. At what proportion the nitrogen present in the air? That is 78%. Oxygen present in the air 21%. Fine. And carbon dioxide, helium, argon, hydrogen are found in the lesser quantity. Other gases found in 0.04%, and the argon found in 0.93%, and carbon dioxide found in 0.03%. So this is the composition of air. The many gas come together and they form the air. Okay, now Vika, please read the chapter.
Okay, ma'am. Composition of the atmosphere. Do you know that the air we take in while breathing is actually a mixture of many gases? Nitrogen and oxygen are two gases which make up the bulk of the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, argon, and hydrogen are found in lesser quantities. Apart from these gases, tiny dust particles are also present in the air. The pie chart gives you the percentage of different constituents of air.
Thank you.
Nitrogen is the most plentiful gas in the air.
Yes. So look at here, the nitrogen is the most plentiful gas which is present in the air. That is what percentage? 78 percentage. When we inhale oxygen side by side, simultaneously we also inhale nitrogen. We take some amount of nitrogen into our lungs and uh, exhale it. But the plants need, why the plants need nitrogen? Plants need nitrogen for their survival. They cannot take it directly. The plant cannot take the nitrogen directly from the air. The bacteria that live in the soil, root of the some plant, they take nitrogen from the air and then change it in the uh, form so that the plant can use that nitrogen from bacteria. So bacteria are the supplier of nitrogen for the plant. Okay. Now next one, the oxygen. Oxygen second most plentiful gas in the air. Human, animal take oxygen from the air. As we breathe, we take oxygen. As you know, in Corona time, many people uh, were faced the problem and they were died due lack of oxygen. So oxygen is a life-giving. gas. We can't live without oxygen. The green plant also require oxygen. They produce oxygen during photosynthesis. In this way, the oxygen content in the air remain constant. If we cut down the tree, this balance get disrupted, because the who supply the oxygen, the plant, and we are the consumer of oxygen. We are the supplier of carbon dioxide. If we cut down the trees, so nothing is on the earth which supply the oxygen. So we should think about that. We should not cut down the trees. The second one is the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is another important gas. Green plant use carbon dioxide to make their food and release oxygen. Human and animal release carbon dioxide. As we have already said that we are the supply, we release carbon dioxide. The amount of dioxide released by the human or animal seems to be equal to the amount used by the plants, which make the perfect balance. So the balance between the oxygen used by the animal and human and supply by the plant is create balance in the atmosphere. If we the human beings, those disturb this balance, like how it is going, the balance is upset by burning of fuel such as a coal and oil. They add the million of tons of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere each year. As a result, the increase of volume of carbon dioxide affecting the earth weather and climate. Okay, look at this. How? As you know, the carbon dioxide release in the atmosphere, what will happen? It creates greenhouse effect by trapping the heat of the heat radiated from the earth. It is therefore called green gas. The carbon dioxide also known as the green gas. Without it, if there it is not in the atmosphere, the earth would be too cold to live in, because it gives warm to the keep the earth warm. Okay, when its level in the atmosphere increase, so what happen? Due to the it create the temperature high, गर्मी बढ़ेगी अर्थ पर. And all these things happen only because of, like, due to the factory smoke, car fumes, retained increase the temperature of earth. This is called global warming. What happen if the global warming is there? The it the temperature is rise. It cause the snow in coldest place of the world start melting, so it increase the level of water. Okay, as the result, the sea level rise causing floods. The coastal area submerge in water. So there may be a drastic change in the climate of a place, leading extinction of the some plant and animal in long run. The long run. Those are living in the that condition. So they change, if they change this climatic condition, so they cannot survive. Fine, everyone. Now let us.
That's why atmosphere is a blanket of air which provides the safety to the earth from greenhouse
Yes,
gases.
but everything should be in a proper proportion and balance now. That the way, in this way they can it the atmosphere protect us. But if we disturb this balance, so what happen? If we increase the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, it causes global warming. So we should think about it to stop the things which create, which increase the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
When air is heated, it expands and became lighter and goes up. Colder air is denser and heavy, so that is why tends to sink down. When hot air rises, the cold air from surrounding area rushes there to fill in the gap. That is how the air circulation take place. Let's start. Start, Sazal.
As
Start.
you can see, here is a plastic bottle with a balloon tied on its mouth. It also has a hole under it. Now, as you can see, when I blow this balloon, the air will escape through the hole. Now you can also hear the sound of the air which was escaping through the hole, as the air was exerting pressure inside the balloon and was throwing the air out through the hole. Thank you.